Hello friends, in this video we will count the occurrences of digit from 0 to 9. So let's just start. While code I will explain things more briefly. So I have already created a directory digit counting and which is currently empty. We will create our C file here, include standard IO library to use the functions like printf and get character, and this will be our starting point of our program. The main function with the return type of int, we will return 0. And now we need some variables. So for storing a character entered by the user, we use a int c. And in this program we need, because we are counting the digits from 0 to 9, so we need some kind of an array here. We will define the n digit, and 0 to 9 obviously it will be the 10 elements, so we will define array with the 10 elements. And so we will initialize all the elements of this array to 0, so that we can count digits starting from the 0. Okay, so I think we can do, we will do a for loop here, and we will do integer I equal to 0, I is less than 10 and I plus plus. And what we will do here, and digit of I will be 0. We can test that just by printing all these values, and we will define I is less than 10, I plus plus, and we will do it 70, and we will confirm that all the values should be initialized with a 0. Yeah, all the values are from 0 to 9, all the values are 0. So we can now do that. Okay, to remove those lines, and now we have to check the characters. So we need to get the character first. Okay, now we need some kind of a condition to check that user entered a character from 0 to 9. We don't need any alphabets or any other characters. We need a character only from 0 to 9 digits. We only need digits here. So for that we will check the entered character is greater than or equal to 0, and c less than or equal to 9. So here I have to explain one thing. You can see that I have created, I haven't entered the 0 digit, I have added a 0 character of a type character. This is because the in C, the get character will return the values in the ASCII values. So for the ASCII value for the 0 is in C is 48. So now you will get more clear idea. For the 1 it will be a 49, yeah, and for 2 it will be 50, and for 3 it will be 51, and so on. So we will check here, let's see, when if user entered a value of 0, so this C will replace with a 48. 48 is greater than or equal to, and this character will also change because this is a 0 character, not a 0 digit. It will also convert it to a 48. So 48 is equal to 48, so this will be true, and 48 is less than or equal to, the 9 will be numbers like this one, like 50, I think 56 or 57, and we will remove all these lines, and we will check that uh, we need to check, yes, then we need to increment that index. Like let's say if you user entered a 3, so we need to increment the index of a 3 here to be 1 or 2. We have to increment that number. So this one is a little bit tricky. Let me write this code, then I will explain it. It will be a c minus character 0. Let me explain this. We need some kind of we need an integer value here for the index. So if user entered as 3, so 3 is 51, so here it will be replaced with a 51 and minus it will be a 49 value. Now let me write this in a comment. You will get, let's say user entered a digit 3, so digit 3 is 51 and minus 0 is what, 49, 48, so 48. So we will get the result of 3 here. 51 minus 48, you will get a result of 3. So index 3 will get an increment. It means the user entered a digit 3, so we will increment only that index. Okay, so now we have to print all the digits. So first we need some kind of yeah, okay, digits equal to, and we need a for loop to print all the digits because we have an array. So for that we will define I equal to 0, I is less than 10 and I plus plus. For that we need we will print and we will add a line break as well here to not get any other person printed on the screen. And this is our code. Let's just test it, compile our code and run it. Okay, now I am entering 3 2 times and 4 5 and 6 and control T. Yeah, okay, so you will see the digits equal to as on 0 1 2 and 3. I have entered 3 2 times, so the 3 index incremented by 2, and 4 is 1 time, 5 is 1 time, 6 is 1 time, and I didn't enter any other digits. So let's just test one more time, and this time I will add all the digits and we will see all the ones here. Okay, and this is our simple code. Yeah, here's a one more thing. We can improve a code a little bit. Like we have used the for loops 2 times here, and we have initialized int variable twice, so we don't have to reserve the memory couple of times or 2 times. We need to replace this with we will remove this int and we will initialize this I here. So with this approach, we have only initially reserved only one memory, single memory for this, only for this I variable. We don't have to initialize it multiple times or declare it multiple times. So this way we can improve our code a little bit. It will be obviously increase the speed of the program as well. And let's just test one more time, and this time I have entered 9976, yeah, see 3 2 and all the values get incremented. So that's it for this video, and this is a simple code. With this approach, like you can easily count how many times a user entered which digit. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.